Right, so bit of a key repair. Yes, not good. And grubby fingers, but never mind. Got that there to replace. Got some replacements. Got one or two replacements actually. And I have to remove that one. That one's already been removed by the owner. So time to clean that up, take that one off. Right, here goes. A little bit of protein flux. Half so in that. Oh, put some fresh on. Doo-dee-doo. There you go. Get me solder. So that's gone. That's nice. 4 sets of pads. Good job I remember where it went. Super. Right. Good. They were supposed to be ceramic, I'm just double checking them. Not used those. Had them quite a while though. Got those. My Rosettis. They're only 40-year-old. Well, 38. It's all good fun, you know. Let's get it square. Yes, I could jig it. I've got the jigs and what have you, but by the time I've set it up in a jig, I can have soldered it. Now, you never take the solder to the joint, right? Unless you can apply flux to the joint, in which case you get away with it. There we go. Part of it is not to heat the switch up too much. Which is why I use a really hot iron. My old Weller W60D. Old Faithful. Now, I'm going to take that flux off that board. Doopy-doopy-doo. Doopy-doo. Let that soak a moment. There we go, put those up there. Right, there they are. I'll not use that one because it ain't very good. Can't get rid of it now. Go on. Better. Right, do the same again. Wet my old sponge. That's all there is to it, really. More propanol. Was I actually in shot then? I don't know. Try and get all this muck and super glue off my hands later. That's a good combination, you know. Glue the oil to your skin. It's quite clean. For the brush. These brushes must be nearly 40 years old. I know they're not nylon, they're pure bristle. Real pure bristle, not Chinese pure bristle. Which means they are, I think most of that's been out of shot. Never mind. Done the main bit. Clean the battery contacts. Bit of cold clean. Oh, that hurts in the cut. Ouch. clean takes a lot longer to evaporate than the other stuff. Now this is a problem, the holes. So I think I'll just order another case. Temporarily I can fill it up with some silicone, but for the time being that'll do to test it. Get my best tester is on the bench, and I'm not at my bench, so battery and this cheap piece of rubbish. And we put it on top and go. There you go. Like I say, a really cheap piece of rubbish, but at least it proves it's transmitting. That's done. Simple as that.